She wants to watch on.
Don't. Oh.
No, don't. She'll panic him.
Did my answer?
No, don't do that.
No, on the floor.
Place it.
Tell my mum.
Place it on the floor. Hey Chelsea, whatever you do not even swear in my video, okay? Because I'm gonna get in trouble when my dad finds out. There was a swear word in the video. I mean, not fatio.
I don't know.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you're ready.
Where is it? Let me get closer. Oh dear.
Oh, Mom's recording too. This is gonna be so dangerous.
Steady. Yes, it moves this way.
Hey, Chelsea, can you cover my ears?
Lottie, come on.
Can you cover my ears?
Tell Lottie. Lottie, come on. Come on.
Lottie!
For fuck's sake. Come on, get in.
Can you cover my ears that hard so I can don't hear them?
I'll move this glass out to the way and I'll stop like oh shit. I don't, I'm scared.
Oh, me too.
Too close.
Oh, she's getting ready.
Lottie!
Where are you?
Light it!
For fuck's sake, come here. Come here. You dickhead. Get in.
Hey, Mom, do not swear.
Oh, sorry.
Oh my God!
Yay! Bonfire night.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's cool.
It was to set us off the